Good morning, students. Today's video is from your English 2 reader book. I'm going to read and explain lesson number 2, Tenali meets Babur. I hope most of you must be aware of Tenali Raman and Mughal Emperor Babur. Tenali Raman was very intelligent and used to make everyone laugh with his clever jokes. So he got very famous. His popularity reached the ears of Babur. So Babur caused Tenali to his court to check his intelligence. Let's read the lesson to check whether Tenali amuses and makes Babur happy. Tenali Raman was a famous jester. Jester means a man in the past whose job was to tell jokes and make people laugh, and poet in the court of Krishna Deva Raya. It is Krishna Deva Raya, the king of Vijayanagar. Many stories are told of whose Tenali Raman, wit and wisdom. Wit and wisdom. Wit means intelligent humor. Read about his adventure at Emperor Babur's court. Means let's see what happens at Emperor Babur's court. The tales related to Tenali Raman's intelligence, means the stories related to Tenali Raman's intelligence and wit had reached far and wide, means over large area. So they also reached the Mughal court in Delhi where Emperor Babur ruled, means his stories reached Delhi, means it spread so wide that it reached Mughal court in Delhi. Hearing about Tenali Raman, Babur wished to meet him and sent a messenger. Means after listening to the intelligent stories of Tenali Raman, Babur wished to meet Tenali Raman and sent a messenger to call him. When Babur's messenger reached Vijayanagar, Raja Krishnadeva Raya, the ruler, grew apprehensive, means grew fearful. He thought something wrong is going to happen if emperor has called Tenali Raman to his court. He thought that the Mughal emperor had sent his messenger to find an excuse to attack his kingdom. Means Raja Krishnadeva Raya was so fearful and thought that Mughal emperor had sent the messenger. Messenger is a person who gets message and gives the message to particular person. To find an excuse means a reason to attack his kingdom. The Raja was relieved when the messenger said, means Raja became relaxed when he heard, our emperor wants to meet Tenali Raman. Maharaj, please send him with me to New Delhi court. The messenger asked Maharaja to send Tenali Raman with him to Delhi court. The Raja agreed. He said, Tenali, I order you to go with the messenger to the Mughal court and prove your mettle, prove your ability. I order you to go to the Mughal court and prove your ability that you are really intelligent. Remember, the honor of our kingdom is in your hands. Means the respect and the honor of our kingdom is in your hands. Means if you do good, it will be good for us and we will be proved good. If you impress the emperor and get a reward from him, I promise to gift you 10,000 gold coins. Raja said कि you should go and impress him, and if Mughal emperor gets impressed, even I will reward you more 10,000 gold coins. Tenali replied, I will not let you down, your majesty, means I will do my best. The next day Tenali left with messenger. When Babur heard that Tenali Raman had arrived, he said to his courtiers, means when Babur got the message that Tenali Raman had arrived the court, before that, what did he do? Babur said his courtiers, the persons present in the court, you all know he is very witty man. He is very clever and make you to laugh. However, if I find anyone laughing at his jokes, that person shall be punished. Babar is playing a trick here. He said everybody in the court that not to laugh at Tenali Raman's jokes. And if any person laughs at his joke, will be punished. See how tricky Babar is? At the royal court, Tenali tried many antics means funny ways or behaved very funnily to make them laugh, but no one even smiled. He said many amusing, witty, clever and wise things, amusing to make somebody happy, many things to make everybody happy, but to no effect, means nobody laughed. 15 days passed by, means 15 days he kept on making everybody laugh. But all his efforts to make people laugh failed. Nobody laughed at his jokes. Tenali understood that something was amiss, means something was wrong. Something is going on wrong. That the whole people around his kingdom or around his place, everybody was laughing up. Everybody around Vijayanagar was laughing at his jokes. But here nobody is laughing. So something is wrong, right? He realized that the Mughal courtiers were deliberately keeping a serious face, a sober face, serious face. Means they are deliberately keeping, means purposefully keeping their face serious. They may be feeling happy, but they are not making other person realize that they are happy or they want to laugh. Tenali knew that defeat would mean losing prestige and honor. Means Tenali knew that if he couldn't make them laugh, he is going to lose his reputation. He is going to lose his respect for Vijayanagar. That he was a pride of Vijayanagar, that he makes everybody laugh, he is very intelligent. And if he is not able to make them happy, he will lose his good reputation as well as his own position there. So he thought of a plan. Babar was in the habit of going for a ride on his horse every morning. Now he thought of a plan to make them laugh. Now what is the plan? Babar was in a habit of going for a ride in his horse every morning. Means Babar used to go for a ride. He would be accompanied, would be with by two of his ministers. Accompanied means two ministers gave him company. The minister's job was to carry pouches. Pouches means small leather bag of gold coins to distribute to the poor on the instructions of the king. Means if king instructed the ministers or king wanted to give somebody something, then only the minister used to give something out of that leather bag. One day, Tenali disguised himself. Disguise means changed his appearance as an old laborer with a spade on his shoulder. Spade means a tool for digging and a mango sapling in his hand. Sapling, you know what is sapling? A young tree in his hand. See, Tenali changed his appearance to be a old laborer. He looked like an old laborer who is going to plant a mango sapling. Having observed Babar's route closely, means every day Tenali noticed that Babar is moving on a particular route. Tenali found a spot by the Yamuna where he knew Babar would see him. So on the way of Babar, Tenali found a spot, means near Yamuna. He stopped there to come under the notice of Babar. When Tenali spotted Babar approaching, means when Tenali came to know that Babar is going to come near him, he began to dig the ground. Babar was surprised to see an old man with a white beard planting a mango sapling. Means Babar saw an old man with white beard standing there or digging the ground for planting a mango sapling. He couldn't help asking. Means he wanted to ask, what is that old man doing? Bade Miya, what are you doing? Jahanpana, I am planting a mango sapling, replied Tenali Raman. Now who is Jahanpana? Is your highness. With respect, you say your highness. Then Bade Miya means dear old man. I'll explain the rest of the lesson in my next video.